Hello, in this video we're going to look at how to add Google fonts in the Mac environment all under 3 minutes. Welcome to MacMingle. To begin with, we go up to the search bar and we type in fonts.google.com and we see a number of options popping up. And once we select that, Google Fonts opens up and offers you a search bar here. For this example, we're going to use Roboto. So let's go ahead and type in Roboto, and we can see that there are several options available here, but I want to see them all. So let's go ahead and just hit enter. At that point, we can see at the bottom here the different options available: Roboto, Condensed, Mono, Slab, Flex, and Serif. You can look at it in the row format by selecting that bar, or go back to the grid format, which I prefer. Now I'd like to go ahead and get the condensed version. So all we have to do is go ahead and select that condensed version. And immediately on the top, you'll see top right, Get Font as an option pop up. Go ahead and select the Get Font, and a window opens up, and there's a download option here. Select the download option, and it'll move that file to wherever your download is targeted. So we're selecting this Roboto, Condensed, Download, and it's downloaded. Now we go and look at where it's downloaded. Let's look at the location. Click that, and there it is. There's the Roboto condense.zip. Double-click that file, and it opens up a folder. Open the folder, and then we'll see two options. There are two different fonts we could install. Let's go ahead and install the first one here. Click that, and then an install window opens up, and we can see what we're getting. I'm going to go ahead and install that. Click, and that's all there is to installing that. Now we can close this window. I'm going to go back and install the second font, which is the variable font. Click that, and once again install. Here we are. And that's all there is to installing the font in your Mac environment. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.